Assalamualaikum kids. How are you? I am good. Today in our activity, let's make a handprint butterfly. Oh wow, what I have here? Do you know what is this? What's this? A butterfly. A butterfly. A butterfly is flying, but let's make butterfly. Dear kids, look, I have a yellow color paper and orange color paper. And fold it in half like that. Fold it like that. And now I will put my hand on the paper like this. And now I will trace my hand. Trace and traced my hand. Here kids, a butterfly has an antenna here at the top. Look, I will show you how to draw. Oh look, this is the antenna. This is the antenna. Let's cut our hand. Yes, cut. Isn't it easy? Yes, it's easy. Cut. Cut your hands. I have finished. Look what we have. Does it look like butterfly? Yes, it does. Let's cut a rectangle. This is the rectangle. And then we will cut out an oval. Let's cut out an oval. This is an oval. And it will be our butterfly body. It will be our butterfly body. Here kids, now let's cut out a square. This is square. And then cut out a circle. This is the circle. This is the head of our butterfly. 2 circles. And the butterfly has eyes now. Let's draw a mouth. I will take red pencil. Look, the butterfly is smiling. Now let's draw spots on the butterfly wings. I take blue color pencil and draw little circles. Now I will take green color pencil and draw small circles. Now I will take purple color pencil and draw small circles. I am gonna take black color pencil and draw stripes on its body like this. Here kids, our butterfly is ready and the butterfly is flying. Is it beautiful? Yes.